Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity, sound blending, ought words. Little learners, we're going to make some new words using the sound ought. Let's blend the beginning sound with ought to make 6 exciting words. First one, C plus OT equals cot. Say it with me, C-O-T cot. A cot is a small bed. Babies sleep in a cot. Next up, D plus OT equals dot. D-O-T dot. Look, a dot is a tiny round spot, just like a full stop. Now feel this. H plus oat equals hot. H-ought hot. Be careful, the soup is hot. Don't touch it. Let's try this one. N plus OT equals not. N-oat not. Sometimes we say not when we don't want something, like, no, I do not want that. Moving on, P plus OT equals pot. P-ought pot. A pot is used for cooking food. Yum yum. And last one, R plus OT equals rot. R-O-T rot. Oh no, this fruit has started to rot. It's going bad. Great job. You blended all the ought words perfectly. Let's read them together one more time. Cot, dot, hot, not, pot, rot. Fantastic work, little stars. Keep blending sounds and keep having fun. Next time, we'll discover another fun activity. See you soon. Bye-bye.